Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to set comment notifications to silent on Google Drive. If you've ever felt distracted by constant pings from comment alerts, don't worry. With just a few quick adjustments on your phone, you can keep everything organized without the interruptions. Let's get started. The first step is to go to your phone's main settings. This is where you'll find all the options to control how apps behave on your device. Once you're in there, scroll until you see the list of your installed apps. Next, tap on Apps. This section shows all the apps currently on your phone. From here, you can manage permissions, storage, and of course, notifications for each one. Go ahead and scroll until you find Google Drive, then tap on it to open its settings. Inside the Google Drive settings, you'll see several options. The one we're interested in is Notifications. Tap on Notifications to move forward. This will bring you to a screen that controls how alerts from Google Drive reach you. Now look for notification categories. These categories break down the different types of alerts Google Drive might send. Tap on Notification Categories and then look for the one labeled Comments. This is specifically for when someone leaves a comment on your shared files or folders. Once you've tapped into Comments, you'll see different settings for how those alerts appear and sound. This is where you finally get to choose how those notifications behave. To keep things quieter and distraction-free, select Silent. And that's it. From now on, anytime someone comments on your Google Drive files, you'll still see the notification appear, but it won't disturb you with a sound. This gives you the perfect balance between staying updated and staying focused. Taking a moment to customize notifications like this can make a big difference in your day-to-day workflow. Instead of being interrupted by alerts at the wrong time, you can check them when it fits best into your schedule. So if you're looking for a simple way to stay organized without the noise, these steps are the exact solution. Try it out and enjoy a quieter, more focused workday with Google Drive.